One thing, Arnab, tomorrow is a big day whereby the territorial jurisdiction will be decided.
It's not about territorial jurisdiction. I have said truth has no territory, truth has no jurisdiction.
I mean, that is going to
Truth has no jurisdiction, truth has no territory. You are telling me that the family will have to suffer the Mumbai police investigation because of a territorial right? You have a territorial right over falsehood, then who has the territorial right over truth? If others have a territorial right over falsehood, if the Mumbai police has a territorial right over falsehood, my lordships of the Supreme Court, please hear me loud and clear tonight. I wish I could come to court. I wish I could speak to you. I wish I was a lawyer. I wish I could take the black robes. I wish I could come as a citizen of India before you lordships. Every time we have put out at least 75 pieces of evidence that there is a concealment of truth in this case. And my lordships, I'm telling you today on behalf of everyone, all my viewers today, that the only answer given to us today is territorial, my lordships. I'm being told truth is territorial, my lordships. I'm being told that the facts will be territorial. I'm being told that the Mumbai police has the sovereign right to do as it pleases. I am asking you, my lordships, does the Mumbai police have the sovereign right to do as it pleases? Does the Mumbai police's sovereign right include the right to override the sentiments of the family? My lordships, I'm asking you. My lordships, I'm asking you today, a day before the matter goes to the court. I hope I'm not extending my brief, but as a citizen of India, I appeal to the lordships of the Supreme Court. I'm asking you, my lordships, I'm asking all the lordships, I'm asking all the legal luminaries in this case, I'm asking you today, there is so much evidence and we are being told territorial rights. Viewers, we are not a colony of falsehoods. We will not be told anymore, the free people of an independent nation will not be told that we have a right to carry out an investigation as we please, overriding the sentiments of the family, supporting a people who are under the scanner.
But Arnab, the
at a time when it has been proven that the same police for 4 months knew and did nothing in this specific case. And fourthly, please allow me, when there is evidence that it is not one death, my lordships, but two, possibly more, when 2 young lives have been lost, and they are the representatives of a generation. A whole generation is calling out for justice in this case, and we are being told by politicians, Mumbai versus Patna, Bihar versus Maharashtra. No, the whole country is asking for justice, and I'm being told one more thing. I'm being told today by the Commissioner of the Mumbai Police, my lordships, that he has recorded a statement of the family. My lordships, ask the police commissioner, under what circumstances were the statements recorded? My lordships, ask the Mumbai police, my lordships, and ask them that at what circumstance did you take the father's statement? And ask the Mumbai police commissioner, Parambir Singh, my lordships, that a distraught and grieving 74-year-old father of a 34-year-old young man is told, do you have the final evidence? Come, stamp the paper so I can use it against you. And 45 days later, Shweta and Subhrashta, we are being told that same paper will be used against the same family. There has never been as ghastly an interpretation of sovereign rights of the police as in this case. This is a case, my lordships, of the misuse of the right, the gross and complete misuse of that right, where you take your rights, snatch away the rights of the people to protest. And today, the same family is being told, listen, we have the sovereign right, we've decided, the narrative is what we will set. Well, I want to tell you, my lordships, that the narrative which has been set by the Mumbai police is a narrative of falsehoods which has come crashing down. And I want to tell you, my lordships, we have no vested interest. We believe we speak for the people. And we will therefore hope and pray that the Supreme Court of India will hear the voice of the people. But if this becomes, Mr. Jain, about, listen, crime happened in Mumbai, we will say it's suicide, even if nothing connects it to suicide, because crime happened in Mumbai, we'll do as we please, then what faith will people have in this country? I have said my piece, Mr. Jain.